Hey guys, this is Titas from VikingDome. In today's video, I will show you how to build a 5-star glamping dome resort. So what will you see in today's video? I will show you construction tips, resort structure ideas, and unique dome setup examples. You will see 4 real-life projects by VikingDome. Firstly, you will see a wood cabin with polycarbonate dome set up in Iceland. In Iceland, temperatures vary from -15 to +20 over year, and winds can get up to 100 kilometers per hour. You will also see an insulated dome with glass wall in Sweden. Temperatures there vary from -12 to +22 Celsius over a year, and it can snow up to 4 meters thick in that location. Then I will show you an infinity terrace with a mirror dome in United Kingdom. Temperatures there vary from +2 to +12 Celsius. It is a typical soft European climate. And finally, you will see a project we did which includes 12 insulated glamping domes with a unique tunnel spa in French Alps. So temperature there varies from -20 up to 35 degrees in Celsius, and this project is built 1,800 meters above sea level, so the location experiences a lot of various climate conditions during the year. First project is a glamping resort we built in Iceland. It features airtight polycarbonate domes connected to wooden cabins. How does the glamping cabin with dome construction process work? The wooden cabin is fully manufactured in the VikingDome workshop. The flooring, doors, and all interior finishes are installed inside. The wooden cabin is then loaded onto a truck trailer. At the construction site, the wooden cabin is unloaded using a Manitou forklift. The wooden cabin is unloaded from the truck trailer and placed directly onto the foundation. The ground screws were installed in the ground before the shipment arrived. The transparent dome bedroom is assembled next to the wooden cabin. Insulated terrace sections, the dome floor with electric heating are prepared for the transparent dome installation. How is comfort ensured in the dome with cabin glamping unit? The wooden house includes a toilet, a hot water boiler, a shower, a sink, and heated floors. The energy source is electricity. Is in the entrance area of the wooden house. There is a wardrobe, a mini fridge, and a place for a coffee machine. Who designs the glamping buildings? VikingDome designs everything from scratch. Each project is detailed and adapted according to clients' needs, climate conditions, and business model. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a transparent dome when used as a bedroom? The advantages are the panoramic view creates an incredible sense of closeness to nature. Guests can watch the stars or the northern lights depending on the climate. Because of the wow effect, occupancy is usually very high. And it also has a low construction cost and shorter construction time. The disadvantages are limited privacy. In summer, it is more difficult to control sun exposure and temperature. Sound insulation is also lower compared to conventional buildings. and polycarbonate collects dust, so cleaning and washing are required. How is privacy ensured in a transparent dome? You can build fences or hedges between the domes. Curtains can also be installed in the dome, as you can see here, a curtain rail kit and the curtains right here. And the domes can also be positioned on your land in a way that prevents neighbors from seeing inside. What climate is the transparent polycarbonate Aura dome unit suitable for glamping? The Aura dome is suitable for use in all climate zones. Depending on the location, different technical solutions are applied. Part of the dome can feature digital print panels, mirror panels can also be used, so it's not necessarily only the transparent standard polycarbonate panels. Technological equipment such as heaters, heated floor, air conditioners, opening windows for ventilation, and other solutions can be installed. Can the client choose the design solution? Yes. There are many different construction materials available across a wide price range. The dome can be fully transparent or only partially transparent. You can decide on that. Facade materials are selected so that durability and design match the client's needs. A cozy glamping unit can be created in a meadow, in a forest, or in the mountains. Different technical solutions are applied depending on your site and your location. The wow effect, as you can see here, creates a high sales value for the client. Another project is an 8-meter diameter multi-layer insulated glamping dome with a glass wall in Sweden. How do you prepare a suitable dome base? The photo shows a base prepared by the client. It is an insulated wooden platform built on a concrete foundation. How are the products packaged and delivered? Across Europe, product delivery is carried out by truck. The products are placed on Euro pallets. The dome parts and elements are fully manufactured and do not require any additional drilling or cutting, only assembly. For this 8-meter diameter glamping dome, all elements were packed on 11 pallets. Can domes be installed in winter? Yes, they can. In Sweden, a glamping dome was installed in December when the outdoor temperature was minus 15 degrees Celsius. It is important to follow the construction and technologies, and if needed, use temporary heaters. How is the frame quality ensured? At VikingDome, we use star connectors, which ensure proper air circulation between the triangles. As a result, condensation does not form inside the walls or it evaporates quickly. This is an excellent technical solution for preventing mold inside the structure. How is the strength of the facade ensured? The PVC facade covering is installed over OSB boards. The strong and rigid OSB surface acts as a support for the PVC membrane. Does the panoramic window have to be made only from triangles? Not necessarily. In this project, a flat panoramic window was manufactured. This option was chosen for faster maintenance, as hotel staff can clean such windows more quickly. Ash hardwood was used for the window structure. This gives the dome interior a more luxurious feel. What is the most effective way to insulate a dome? When an effective insulation layer is required, we usually use pair boards with aluminum foil on both sides. It is a thin board, but its thermal performance is twice as high as mineral wool. Installation is 3 times faster than mineral wool. The installation process is simple and does not require special construction experience. How do you create a cozy interior? We usually use natural veneer birch plywood. Wood creates a cozy atmosphere and a feeling of warmth. The triangular design creates a modern interior. Installing the plywood triangles is fast and pretty straightforward. How do you create a modern Scandinavian interior inside the dome? Natural materials and clear, clean lines create a minimalist Scandinavian interior design. It blends perfectly with nature. Cozy furniture complements the interior concept and creates a greater sense of luxury and comfort. How do you design a glamping interior? VikingDome has extensive experience planning various interior styles for domes. We can advise you on the dome size and furniture layout. We will help you choose the right interior materials for your project. A glamping dome is usually designed for 2 or 4 guests. This depends not only on the dome diameter and height, but also on your business model. Now I will present you a mirror polycarbonate glamping dome with an infinity shaped terrace. Is a ground screw foundation suitable for installing a glamping unit? The foundation must be dense enough so that the terrace decking does not sway or vibrate when people walk on it. This is a public space, so the strength and stability of the terrace are important. Ground screw foundation is a quickly installed technology. In most cases, they are cheaper than concrete. If your project is temporary, ground screw foundation can be easily unscrewed and removed from the ground. How many ground screw foundations are needed for a glamping project? The number of ground screws and their length are important for safety. In strong wind and storm, the foundations must hold the terrace and dome securely so that they are not carried away by the wind. VikingDome designs the foundation plan. What type of terrace frame is long lasting? Aluminium terrace frame is long lasting as it was used in this project, corrosion resistant and will never rot. Lightweight aluminium is quick to install. The profiles are always straight, so the installation accuracy is very high. How should the floor inside the dome be insulated? An insulated sandwich is installed on the aluminium profiles under the dome. Pure boards and OSB. This ensures warmth and protection from the ground moisture. What is the best insulation material for floor insulation? For insulation, we use FF Pure Alu insulation boards made in Finland. The boards are covered with aluminium foil on both sides. This protects against condensation and moisture. The inside of the board is made of pure material, which is thin, highly insulating, does not rot, does not absorb moisture, and has a fire safety classification. What type of decking boards are suitable for glamping dome terrace? For the decking boards in this project, we use wood plastic composite. You can see VikingDome's curved decking terrace system. Curved terraces are a unique technology. Mirror dome and infinity terrace installation process right here. How should shoe cleaning grates be integrated into the terrace? The grates must be the same height as the floor. And shoe cleaning grates at the entrance help protect the interior from dirt, which is especially important if the glamping site is in nature where guests walk around in rain and snow. What terrace shape is best suited for a glamping dome? We recommend an infinity shaped terrace. Round natural forms always attract people's attention. And a round mirror dome is especially eye catching because the mirror surface reflects the surrounding nature. Why do glamping structures need a large panoramic window? As you can see here, all everywhere here is a mirrored uh, polycarbonate, and here you can see clear transparent polycarbonate. A mirror dome must have a transparent panoramic window so that guests can see nature and natural phenomena, which is part of the biophilic design concept. Where can I get project documentation and drawings? All VikingDome developed projects include detailed construction elements, furniture, and appliances, as you can see right here. You can use this documentation for the implementation of your project, as well as obtaining building permits or finding contractors. What groundworks are required when installing a glamping site? Groundworks are required if you want to bring electricity, water, and wastewater pipes to the domes, and also if your plot has slopes, it may also be necessary to form level platforms for the dome. How is the air ventilated inside the dome? So manually opening windows are used in all climate zones because indoor spaces must be ventilated. And now to the final project. This project is a resort in the French Alps that includes 12 insulated multi-layer domes and a two-floor insulated tunnel-shaped spa at the top. We will focus mainly on the spa dome in this overview. If you're building a glamping site with 10 or more domes, then it already becomes worthwhile to offer additional services such as a spa. In this case, the spa has a steady flow of visitors and creates an additional revenue stream for the client. Without a doubt, to create this type of business, you need sufficiently large plot and a suitable location. Tunnel-shaped structures used for a spa provides enough space for all amenities, such as a sauna, steam room, a jacuzzi on the outside, reception changing area, and also maintains a round biophilic design theme of the whole resort, so it blends in perfectly with the nature and the remaining residential domes. How can a dome be made resistant to heavy snow loads? In the spa tunnel dome structure, we use the Star Pro connector system, as you can see right here. It is developed for high load resistance, and at the same time, the system provides microventilation for the insulation layer, which protects against condensation, buildup, and mold. The spa tunnel dome is a two-story building, as you can see right here. For construction, we used calibrated structural timber. Finishing wood is used extensively in the interior. The interior is minimalistic and modern. Part of the spa tunnel dome is used as a glamping reception area. Panoramic parametric window in the wooden interior creates an ultra-modern look. The mountains visible through the window enhance the resort-style travel atmosphere. Modern soft LED lighting diffuse the light and does not glare in the eyes of the spa visitors. This spa center is built for glamping resorts, guests and visitors. It acts as a extra revenue stream for the business while providing a leisure activity for the guests. Now let's compare the different glamping dome types, pros and cons. Let's start with the polycarbonate dome with cabin. The advantages are is better comfort, lower energy use than a fully transparent dome, and a long-lasting cabin structure. Cons are higher investment, longer construction time. Durability is 10 to 20 years for the polycarbonate and 50 plus years for the wooden cabin. Now let's look at the multi-layer insulated glamping dome. So the advantages are excellent insulation, which leads to lower energy costs, and it's suitable for all season long, and it provides high guest comfort. The disadvantages are highest installation cost of all the domes and a longer construction time. Durability is the structure itself lasts 50 plus years, and only the PVC cover has a lifetime of 10 to 20 years. And then finally, the polycarbonate dome only without the cabin. The advantages are it's a great visual impact, fast installation, lightweight structure, and relatively low costs. The disadvantages are no thermal insulation, requires stronger heating or cooling, and higher energy cost. The durability for the polycarbonate is 10 to 20 years. So which one to build? That is the question. And if you're looking for a fast start, short-term investment, polycarbonate dome is probably your best option. For best balance of guest comfort and experience, the polycarbonate dome with the wooden cabin. And if you're looking for a premium year-round use, you can choose the multi-layer insulated dome. Now finally, I will show you VikingDome's products and services that can help you get your dream glamping dome from idea to reality. So first, we offer geodesic dome connectors kit. As you can see in these pictures, you can receive, it's a cheapest option. You receive only the connectors with drawings and assembly instructions and wood cutting schemes, and you cut your own wood, get your own PVC and then PVC tent, and then you build your own dome from there, which is the cheapest option. Then we offer a dome frame kit. It can be either from wood or from metal, where you receive the connectors plus the dome frame. Then you have to get your own PVC tent and do all the furnishing and interior yourself. Then you can get a dome frame with cover, which is of course the connectors, the frame, and the PVC cover. Of course, then we offer fully furnished dome. It includes electrical, plumbing, heating, furniture, cabinetry. Here you can see a project of a polycarbonate dome we did in Spain. Very luxurious furnishing. Here is the bathroom, shower area, cabinetry, and then here's a table, some chairs for extra comfort. As you can see, here is a polycarbonate is digital print, which provides privacy and shade for guests. We also offer different dome materials, so you can get a PVC tent cover. The PVC tent can be with insulation. We also offer glass domes. Can be mirrored glass or can be fully transparent glass. Also polycarbonate, clear polycarbonate, digital print, mirror, and then wood frames and metal frame domes. The dome terraces also come in high variety, so it can be completely round terrace, it can be the infinity shaped terrace like in the project earlier, can be a rectangular terrace. It comes in many different materials as well, pine, larch, OSB, wood, plastic, composite, and so on. And of course the terraces can be insulated and heated, We even offer a completely floating terrace with a dome as well. We also have many different dome shapes and geometries. So we can build a classic dome for you. We can build a classic dome which is cut off with a glass wall. We can build a zome. This one is from polycarbonate, but it can be also from wood and PVC. We can build a tunnel shaped structure. This one was built for Paris Fashion Week. A metal frame and transparent PVC cover with a white top PVC. We also have quadro domes and domes with wood cabin and so on. All of these can be applied for glamping if you wish. And the services, we offer custom design and layout services. So as mentioned earlier, we can help you design your dome from scratch. You can make your own layout design. We will recommend you how to do it in the most efficient way. And we also offer full installation services or only a supervisor. So if you guys are interested, fill the contact form below or book a video call in the link below, and then let's see if we can be a good fit and help you build your dream glamping dome.